Welcome to the W. My name is Nick Stratigakis and I'm a junior reporter. Is surviving the first few weeks of a new school year difficult for you? If you feel like you are not ready for summer to come to an end and you don't want to start the year off disorganized, the most efficient way to start off the new school year is to organize a new survival kit built for school. This will impact your well-being physically and mentally. There's no right or wrong way to make a back-to-school survival kit. It should be uniquely tailored to fit your needs and provide a sense of security on the first day of school. Consider stocking your school survival kit with some of these items: sanitary wipes, deodorant, hand sanitizer, practical things like pencils, erasers, highlighters, and healthy snacks such as fruit and veggies to make sure you are energized. Other items include things like morale boosters and miscellaneous items like chapstick, sticky notes, and a phone charger. While these school survival kits are designed to make the first day of school a breeze, they can be useful year-round. As the year goes on, ask yourself if you're finding it useful. Is it missing anything? Are there items that you don't actually need? You can modify your kit to match your own needs. Creating a new kit each summer or simply decorating a new carrying case can be a fun way to ease the transition to the school year. With your back-to-school survival kit assembled, you will be ready for whatever the first day of school throws at you. A new customized school survival kit will give you quick solutions so that you can focus on learning. Back to you at the anchor desk.